And we start in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to the 13th episode of Shit Talk with Karan Kapadia. Bro, बहुत टाइम हो गया ब्रो अपलोड नहीं किया. मैं बहुत कूल हूँ ना, समझ रहा है तू? मैं बहुत कूल हूँ. No, I've been working on my college fest. Booked and busy, bitch, booked and busy. बहुत काम था ब्रो, तू समझेगा नहीं. तू नहीं समझेगा, कोई और समझेगा. समझ रहा है तू? नहीं, but fucking with you. How have you been, man? It's been more than a week, I think I've uploaded, and I miss you, man. I miss you, and I hope you miss me too. But anyway, what's up, bro? The other day, मैं सोच रहा था, ठीक है, मेरा फ़ोन का आई थिंक 15th मार्च को बैलेंस ख़त्म हो गया. बैलेंस नहीं, लेट मी रीफ्रेज. मेरा वो रिचार्ज पीरियड रहता है ना, 28 डे पीरियड. वो एयरटेल ब्रो मस्त है यार ब्रो. 28 दिन तू 300 रुपया, 28 दिन जो करना है कर बेंच. रिचार्ज करना भूल गया मैं, एंड ख़त्म हो गया ब्रो. लाइफ विदाउट फकिंग इंटरनेट इज़ नथिंग ब्रो. क्या है लाइफ विदाउट इंटरनेट? कुछ नहीं. क्या मतलब वो क्या क्या लेबल पढ़ूँ मैं? क्या करूँ ब्रो? वो दिन इंटरनेट था नहीं और मैं बाहर था. मेरे भाई को फ़ोन किया पर फ़ोन लग नहीं रहा था क्योंकि बोल रहा था यू डू नॉट हैव सफिशिएंट बैलेंस. बेंचो तो कैसे भरूँ? द प्रॉब्लम वॉज आई वॉज आउटसाइड, राइट? सो टू फिल द बैलेंस आई हैव टू हैव इंटरनेट, या मेरे को स्टेशनरी स्टोर पे जाके वो बंदे बाहर बैठे रहते हैं उनके पास जाके बात करना पड़ता है. भाई ज़रा 300 रुपये का करा दे, पैक करा दे. समझ रहा है तू? एंड दैट वाज लाइक अ पेन इन द फकिंग एस. लाइक आई वाज नॉट अराउंड अ स्टेशनरी स्टोर. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू वेट. एंड ऑटो में बैठा था. म्यूज़िक भी साला अपना सब इंटरनेट पे, और डाउनलोडेड म्यूज़िक में था मेरे पास बिजूरिया नहीं था. मतलब लाइक ऐसा कोल्ड प्ले बिल्ड प्ले था, पर तेरा पंपी दोपहर का टाइम. दोपहर में कोल्ड प्ले नहीं सुन. आई थिंक देर इज़ अ you can't listen to Coldplay like in the afternoon for some reason. Like I have a very valid reason for that. Like दोपहर में you have shit to do. Like if you are out in the afternoon, you're out against your will. In Bombay, at least, if you're out in the afternoon, you're out against your will. Like there is no valid reason for you to go out and meet anybody in the afternoon. Any friend of mine who says let's go out in the afternoon, क्यों? Why the fuck do you want to go out in the afternoon? I don't understand. It's too bloody hot, man. Like तू बाहर जाएगा, तू टी शर्ट पहन के जाएगा, ऐसा घर आएगा, ऐसा पीठ पे ऐसा पसीना आ रहा है, खुजली आ रहा है. नहीं ब्रो, नहीं जमता है मेरे को यार. आई हैव सेंसिटिव स्किन. मैं बहुत सेंसिटिव आदमी हूँ. आई एम एन इमोशनल काइंड ऑफ गाय. यू फील मी? नहीं ब्रो, बट लाइक फॉर रियल ब्रो नहीं जमता है यार मेरे से. लाइक आई फील लाइक आई एम ऑलवेज कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट लाइक द हीट एंड शिट लाइक दैट. बट थिंक अबाउट इट ब्रो. लाइक हाउ कैन यू गेट आउट इन द आफ्टरनून इन बॉम्बे अपार्ट? लाइक इफ यू डू नॉट हैव वर्क, वाई ऑन अर्थ वुड यू गो आउट? चल ठीक है, कुछ एक तो ये तेरे नाम वाला बाल जम नहीं रहा है अपने को, थोड़ा ऐसा कूल लगते हैं. ऐसा सलमान खान को कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं देना है मेरे को. बहुत कूल लगता हूँ मैं ऐसे तेरे नाम वाले हेयर कट में. वो दिन मैं ऐसा बाल पूरा चंपी कर गया, तेरे नाम किया था और एक फ़ोटो लिया था एंड इमीडिएटली डिलीट. नहीं होता है ब्रो अपने से. कैसे रखूँगा मैं ऐसा? टॉकिंग टू फास्ट आई एम, बट आई फील लाइक आई मिस्ड यू. Like I don't know, like I'm looking dead into the fucking camera, looking at my own face while recording, but I feel like I miss somebody. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't feeling. भावना समझ रहा है तू? भावना. कवि का तात्पर्य समझिए. कवि का तात्पर्य समझिए, परखिए. No, but point being, 2-3 things. Yeah, I was feeling that fucking recharge, and I was like, dude, I remember the days when we used to fill balance. I don't know if y'all were like too bougie to fill balance and y'all had postpaid, or like your parental figures or people from your workspace filled it for you, like your family workspace. I don't know if you're that bougie person. I wasn't. क्योंकि सब थोड़ा मतलब समझ रहा है, ऐसा इग्नोर करते थे लोग अपने को घर में. तू भावना समझ. पीपल यूज टू बी लाइक करण का देख, एज लॉन्ग एज करण इज अलाइव, आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज लाइक करण को खाना मिल रहा है, हाँ खाना मिल रहा है. करण जिंदा है, हाँ जिंदा है. स्कूल जा रहा है, हाँ जा रहा है. तो बस अभी और क्या है? क्या कुछ काम क्या है मतलब? लाइक अच्छा करण को नए जूते चाहिए, उसके पुराने वाले फट गए तो क्या हो? मॉम कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी सम मनी, आई वांट टू बाय न्यू शूज. ओके. एंड देन 5 days later, mom, where is that money? Karan, don't irritate me right now. Don't irritate me. All right, I'll just go fuck myself, I guess. Then my dad used to come home. I used to be like he's the tech guy. Like at least when we were kids, he was the guy who used to figure out all the techie shit. I was like, Dad, can you please like fill like 250 bucks? And tabhi like 250 I used to get like 250 minutes of calling or some, I don't know, man. Like I think sixth is when I got my first phone. Yeah, I know it's like too soon. People who are like 26, 27 will be like, oh fuck you, I got on the nice side. Go fuck yourself, you loser. That's not my fault. It's your fault. You wouldn't put your demands forward like me, like an aggressive, assertive person. I was like, Mom, phone chahiye. Then they were like, nahi. I was like, okay, sorry for bothering you. Then I was like, Mom, please. She was like, nahi. I was like, please, please. I used to like, this is the craziest thing. This is fucking hilarious. As a kid, like if something used to happen, fuck my knee. Nahi dekhna is. Like as a kid, if you had an argument and like क्या बोलते नहीं जम रहा है हाँ if something was going on in your house as a kid and you used to be like please this that and there's like people used to fight with you and then used to be like if you go like no, I'm not going to do this and I'm not going to do that, Karan, like suppose Karan, clean your cupboard, no, I'm not doing that, I'm not doing it, and you have attitude and then फट करके एक पड़ता था like, I'll do it now. When did I say no? When did I say no? Like you get into an argument and your like mom slaps the shit out of you and you're like, I did that. Okay, I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. ऐसे मेरा आई डोंट नो इफ तुम लोग के साथ भी हुआ है पर मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ है ब्रो. फालतू का पड़ता था मतलब कुछ भी. there was one time this is the funniest thing. I used to go for these tuitions called Girish sir, okay? Not the tuition's name weren't Girish sir. Girish sir used to teach us Hindi in the 9th and the 10th and गिरीश सर का क्लास था. मैं क्लास में बैठा हूँ. मैंने आई हैव डन लाइक एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग बट आई वाज लाइक कैन आई लाइक messing around in class and not even like messing around like distracting people. I think I was just like probably doing something stupid, like maybe I had like my head somewhere else and I was thinking about something else and my dad had come to pick me up after class and it was at my friend's house and my sir was leaving and I was also leaving at the same time and he met my dad and he was like, Karan ka dhyan kahin aur hai, that's all. And like I sat in the car, I didn't think it'd be a big deal, but then 5 minutes later I realized, bro, my dad has he according to him, even if you fail it's fine as long as you're disciplined in life, it's okay. But अपना ऑपोजिट है. अपन मतलब मिड रेंज में रैंक करते थे और गान मस्ती बहुत करते थे. तो मतलब वी आर इन द कार एंड दिस इज इन 2014 or 13, no wait, fuck, yeah, 2013. So like even though we had like aux wire and all that shit, तभी phone तो नहीं था. तो मैं and I used to fucking love listening to the radio while going back home, okay, and especially in the evening and while going to school and coming back from school, radio was the shit. मवाली भाई bro is the best. उसमें एक लाइन था, वो आदमी वो मवाली भाई बोलता है चले चले पाव भाजी फालूदा ला लाइक रासबेरी छोले. तू ठीक है क्या ब्रो? क्या क्या कर रहा है तू? आर यू ओके? नो बट Mawali Bhai was the shit, bro. Like Mawali Bhai and this Bawa and Murga, Red FM Murga and Bawa, like whatever Murga bana rahe. Like RJ Naved used to do this lit shit where he used to prank call people and be like, मैं Bawa बोल रहा हूँ. The other person is like, कौन Bawa? क्या Bawa? What the fuck are you saying, bro? And like prank calls and shit. I used to listen to that. Luckily, it was while going back home from school that used to play, and in the morning at 8:30 sharp. 8:30 exact Mawali Bhai used to play. I think they used to play it every like hour, the same thing through the day. Once every hour they used to play it, and it's like a 30-second bit, right? But it was fucking genius, bro. Like I feel bad for people who have been so creative through their career and like not been able to like flourish in that department. Like Mawali Bhai, like imagine if Mawali Bhai made reels. Like genuinely think about it. You know how famous he'd fucking be? Like मतलब legend है वो, legend है Mawali Bhai. But back to the Girish sir situation. So dad को बोला कि करण का ध्यान कहीं और है and all. And I didn't make anything of it and I didn't think my dad would either. and मैंने रेडियो चालू किया, like I had a Ritz, okay, and anyone who had a, I think if you all know, Suzuki has that button, like the volume button is a big dial which if you press, the radio, the stereo system, whatever, goes on and off. And like he slammed that button, he looked at me, he's like, you have the audacity to play radio right now and this, and then he started yelling at me, and I was like, bro, what what did I do? And he's like, your teachers are telling you that your dhyan is somewhere else and all, and you're distracted in life 4 मिनट क्लास में डिस्ट्रैक्टेड था यार, उसमें क्या हो गया ब्रो, इतना मतलब ऐसा मतलब लाइक बच्चे बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या यार, कम ऑन मैन, कम ऑन फादर. Like I wish I was in one of those families where you call your dad father. Like the other day, I think, not the other day, but a while back, I think I called my dad father, and he looked at me. क्या कर रहा है bro तू? Cool dude है अपन लोग. Karan Kapadia is a cool dude. Sanjay Kapadia is also a cool dude. And let's be cool dudes and not be losers. So call me dad. And I was like, all right. And we never spoke of this again. No, but on a legit note, man, like tuitions were fucking horrible, bro. I hate it. Like anybody who tells me, oh, I'd kill to go back to school, I think those are people who have crossed the age of 25, 27, 25, 27, because they, no, actually not even 25, 27, probably like 30s. I think they are the people who didn't have too many tuitions, and they're the people who felt like, oh, I would kill to go back to school. I wouldn't. I'm living my fucking life, bro. Like, I am living my life. I'm having a great time. School was fucking great, don't get me wrong. Like, it was a great sick time, bro. But I think, like, okay, think of, you remember all the good, there's a psychological concept I assume is true because I've heard from many reputable sources and reliable sources that this is true. You tend to remember all the good shit that has happened in your life um, as time moves on. Meaning that I think it's not that true, but I think there is a certain terms and conditions to it. Correct me if I'm wrong, somebody. But it's like even with relationships, as time goes on and passes by, you tend to remember some of the good memories more than you remember some of the bad memories. I'm sure it's got much to do with how it ended, didn't end, blah blah blah, whatever. People who hated school through and through, like who were bullied heavily or like had a horrible time through school, are going to remember that shit only. But more or less, people remember the good stuff as time moves on, if they more or less had a good time. I think that is the case. But you tend to remember all the good stuff that happened through school because you had a great time in school, but you do not remember the stress. Like anybody who was like me, at least, in who always ranked in the mid range or just above average, it was horrible attending school, knowing that after school you have tuitions, after which you have to come back home, probably a tuition assignment, and then like it was just dirty, man, altogether. Like you have some people have double tuitions, so like four o'clock school used to get over 3:30, but four, let's take for good measure. Four tuitions start, 4 to fucking 6 you have tuitions, and then 6:30 maybe 7 o'clock you have another tuition till 8:30. You go home dead tired. You eat your food, you probably like watch some TV or some shit and go to sleep. Like it's a job. And I get it, like being a student is a job, but I think now it's changing again. Now more kids are going for like these odd classes, like some fucking creative writing class and all. More and more kids are doing all this extracurricular bullshit that I don't think is kind of necessary, but like maybe to get ahead of the curve and shit like that. Kahan ja bro, like to people who say, oh, be productive throughout the day, oh, take this class, take a graphic class, take a fucking speech class. अरे भैंचोद क्या करेगा यार, ठंडा लेना यार, थोड़ा हल्का ले यार, मैं भी तेरा फ्रेंड हूँ. But नहीं, point being, coming back to the main point, that you tend to remember the school 8 to let's say 4 fun, whatever, like 9 to 3:30 I had, but let's say 8 to 4, whatever. You remember that fun, all the bullshit you did in the lunch break, all the fun you had through classes, and the banter and all that bullshit. But at the same time, you do not remember all the heavy shit that you went through in those tuitions when you didn't want to pay attention and it just kept dragging and dragging and dragging. Imagine if you had a 6:30 tuition. 6:30 a.m. I'm saying 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. you have class, and then within half an hour you have to eat your lunch in your car or your auto, whatever. Go to school 10 minutes early. My school was Jamnabai is fucking lit. Chumeshwari performance, dhokla and idli sambar. Bro, we had idli chili. Any Jamnabai legend out there? Cheers to you. We had idli chili. You know how lit your menu has to be like, bro, we are already too lit. Let's do something so stupid and let's see how stupider we can get. Idli chili. कभी सुना है तूने? हाँ? We had idli fucking chili. Then we had chocos in a cup. Chocos in a damn cup. You know how cool you have to have chocos in a fucking cup. That's how lit we were. And then people say Jamnabai, oh you Jamnabai brats. No bitch. I didn't sit like you in my house in my with my cereal bowl. No. We don't have cereal, we have just chocos. And if your luck is good, that week they fucking bought cornflakes by mistake, they would give you cornflakes. No, but point being, sorry for the तेरे नाम haircut, man, I can't help it. अभी मस्त हेड एंड शोल्डर्स डाल के फुटबॉल खेलने गया था तो ऐसा पसीना पसीना बाल फिर इची हो जाता है, मज़ा नहीं आता है ब्रो. सो आई हैड टू लाइक शैम्पू, तो ऐसा सिल्की स्मूथ सुरक्षित काले मेरे बाल वैस्मॉल ने किया कमाल. But point being, yeah, Jamnabai was fucking lit, bro. So yeah, imagine 8:30, 8:15 if you're lucky you get off tuitions and you go to school. If you're from Jamnabai, you have your breakfast either in school, or if you're going by car, you have it in your car, and then like sit through 8 hours of school. After 8 hours of school, you probably have another tuition. So you're woken up at 5:45, 6, taken a bath, ran for tuitions, probably got like not allowed you, teachers not allowed you because you've reached late, and you're crying. Sorry वो 12 बज गया यार, नींद आ रही है. नहीं बट तेरे लिए मैं जागा हूँ, तू मेरे साथ जाग, मैं तेरे साथ जागेगा. You die for me, I die for you. No, but point being, yeah man, and then fucking 4:30 again you have tuitions, and it's heavy, bro. Like it's not a joke. After a point, it's hideous to put in that amount of effort, energy into what, bro? Like probably a subject you don't even like, man. I don't know, man. This is just my perspective. Maybe someone has another perspective. That Karan, I think you should think about the careers people are making because they got good grades, and well, I wouldn't know. I am still studying. And even if I wasn't, I don't think my grades are good enough to get like a lit job. But I don't know, man. That's another thing, bro. CVs and shit. It's too heavy, bro. I can't do that bullshit. But on that note, it's been 18 minutes and I've really missed you, but I think I gotta go because I gotta go. No, but on that note, go follow me on Instagram, blah blah blah. Check my podcasts out on other platforms. I don't know why you would, but if you want to fucking not watch me in 1080p, you can check it out on Spotify and shit like that. It'll all be linked in the description. So go check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.